Jawach elo piny owacho Charles Owino siemo ji makeo ote mag miriambo ewi piny owacho. Osingo ni apise dhi thiro weche mag miriambo kod adier mabende gibiro kelo elela. Kanolose kaunti ma Siaya kinde choko omenda ne klab mafwambo. Owino wacho ni karabiro ne jopiny ni kod ratiro maseo piny owacho keo weche mag miriambo ewi sirikal ok gibi kawo mayot. Okwayo jofwambo mondo ne ni kinde duto giluwo chike matayo fwambo moting'o adieri kod bedo akicha ne weche matuch mabende ikeyo ma ok ni kare.
Usipingangane kupigana na ngumi mpaka upate. To date, of course we've had
those who are giving misinformation, they are in trouble because you will not give wrong information about government and I leave you. I'll not follow you to beat you, but I'll use my mouth, isn't it? And my skill of writing to challenge you and put you in the right place.
Your role as journalists there to interrogate authority. And because devolution and our public office is about democracy and our constitution, it requires us that it is interrogated. So our relationship is very important. You have to hold the truth, share it with the public for their interest. We have to deliver the promise of the Constitution.
Siaya is one of those counties that's trained when it comes to achieving the two-thirds in elected positions of leadership in Kenya, and particularly in Nyanza. We need those figures to change. Those figures don't change without you playing that big role.
Odhi gwenge mag Transmara, chendo magarita omed jiw Transmara, bang' ng'at achiel nyo yangi ni nonegi ka ji mamoko oyudo hinyruok.